How to check Wingstop gift card balance. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to check it out. So you can just go and follow out this method for that and you should be able to do it easily. So in order to do so, what we can do is we can start by going to a browser or even download the application called Wingstop and head over there and log in if you're not logged in with your account. Or what we can do is we can directly go to the gift card section for Wingstop. So in the search, we can type in Wingstop gift card, type in Wingstop and gift card, hit go. And when you do, you will be finding gift cards within Wingstop. You can tap on the site in order to open it up. And gift card are something that can be purchased at the time and you can open it up like this. And then within there, we can just go and find the link and you can check out your balance now just by clicking on the link and providing the necessary details in order to view your balance. Otherwise, we even have number of Wingstop. You can just go over to their website and look out for that specific number. And then you may just go over and go ahead and call them. And once you do so, you should be able to, go ahead and check out your Wingstop gift card balance that way as well. But usually these are the methods you can follow up. You just need to go over and search for the name online or look out for the direct link available for the gift card balance. And you should be able to check your Wingstop gift card balance. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.